Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the classic shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch and be familiar with the double crochet shell stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using several different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the classic shell stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 2. You're then going to work a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, skip 2 chains, make the shell stitch, skip 2 chains, make the shell stitch, and so on until you reach the last chain of your row. You're then going to work 1 single crochet into the last chain of your row. You're then, for the next rows, there's going to be 2 that you're going to alternate between, and I'm going to show you how to make those on the rows that I'm currently going to work. So on this row that I am making, I have made 1 chain on my hook. I'm going to make 1 single crochet into the first stitch right here. You can see that right here on the row that I had made, there's 3 double crochet. You're going to want to skip these 2 right here, and you're going to be working into this previous single. So you're going to skip these 2 doubles and you're going to work a shell into this single. You're going to work 5 double crochet as that shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're then going to skip 2 double crochet. You're going to work a single into this third one right here, or the very center double crochet of a previous shell. You would skip 2 double crochet. You're going to be working another shell into this previous single right here. So 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 double crochet in this previous shell, work into the third one and work a single. Skip 2 double crochet, work into this single right here in between these previous shells. You're going to work 5 double crochet or 1 shell into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 double crochet of this previous shell, work into the third one right here and work a single crochet. Skip these 2 double crochet right here, work into this single, and you're going to work 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to skip these 2. You're actually going to be working right here. It's going to be sort of like the last stitch of your row from a previous chain. You're going to want to work a single. So that's going to be 1 row. Your first row of the classic shell stitch. You're then going to chain 3 and turn your work. In this previous single crochet that we made right here, you're going to want to work 2 double crochet. And that's going to be half a shell. Okay? You're then going to skip 2 of these doubles of this previous shell, work a single right here. Skip 2 double crochet of this previous shell, work 5 double or a shell into this previous single. And you can see now how it's going to start repeating and be the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 of this previous shell, work a single crochet into this third one right here. Skip 2 of this previous shell, work 5 double crochet into this previous single crochet right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 double crochet, work a single into this third one right here. Skip 2 double crochet, work a shell or 5 double crochet into this previous single right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 double crochet of this previous shell, work a single in the third one or the very middle one. Skip 2 double crochet over here. You're going to want to work 3 in the last stitch or this previous single, and those 3 are going to signify half of a shell. So you would then repeat these 2 rows that I had made for any future rows that you want to make. And that is going to be how to make the classic shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.